All right, so we are going to get into this video. I've been hearing the mainstream media say that the first shot was not fired by the defendant. As a matter of fact, they are quite adamant about it. Well, I decided to do some analysis of my own, so I slowed the video down to 8% of its original speed. And I did some composite blending. And you can see right there, 3 seconds into the video, that's where the first shot is fired. And that appears to me to be the defendant. Notice he's running backwards with a very clear view of Mr. Rosenbaum. And so he knew that he wasn't armed. Here in a couple of steps, he'll turn around and start running forward in the same direction that he was running backwards in when he runs towards the vehicles. Mr. Rosenbaum is still in pursuit. And I can only guess truly that where they say he launched for the gun is coming up here in just a few seconds in this video. Now, mind you, this is slowed down to 8% of the original speed. So this all happened a lot faster. But he turns around. Boom. Fires the first shot of the second volley of 4 rounds. There was no lunging for any weapon. Mainstream media, break this one down. You're welcome.